In the heart of the African savannah lived a young hyena named Hondo. He was stronger and faster than any other hyena his age, and oh, he never let anyone forget it. "Look at me," he'd yelp, chasing dust devils across the plains. "I am the mightiest hunter in all the land." One scorching afternoon, Hondo spotted a lioness, thin and weary, with her little cub shivering by her side. They looked desperate. Hondo scoffed, "Ha! The so-called king of beasts looks pretty weak to me." A jackal slinked by, sneering, "Too proud to ask for help, I'd say." A vulture circling overhead croaked down, "Pride comes before a fall." But Hondo just laughed, puffing out his chest. He paraded his hunting skills, showing off for everyone to see, but offered the lioness nothing. Days turned into a week, and the drought worsened. Hondo's strength began to fade. He grew hungry, then weak, and soon he was too frail to hunt at all. His own pride had left him isolated and starving. One evening, a wise old owl flew down. "Strength isn't just in your muscles, young one," he hooted softly. "True strength is in community, in helping others when they are down." An old tortoise, who had seen many seasons pass, added slowly, "A single branch is easily broken, but a bundle is strong." Hondo looked over at the lioness. An old elephant had guided her to a hidden spring, and a herd of zebras, seeing her cub's plight, had allowed her to take one of their old and sick without a fight. They had survived by working together. Shame washed over Hondo. He had been so arrogant, so focused on himself. He finally understood. It wasn't about being the strongest individual. It was about being part of a strong community. With his last bit of energy, he staggered towards the others, not with pride, but with a humble heart, ready to learn the true meaning of strength. Because in the great circle of life, we are all connected, and we are always stronger together. Thanks for watching.